Hello and welcome to Mashable's Air Friday, where we air fry anything and everything in the name of deliciousness. I am culture reporter Tim Marson, and this week we are air frying Oreos. This recipe, like a lot of our Air Friday recipes, comes from TikTok, from the account Hassan Eats this time, and it is a really simple kind of copy of that deep fried Oreo carnival treat. So basically all you're gonna do is you're gonna take Oreos. I did double stuff because why not? Some pancake batter and some milk. You're gonna dip the Oreo into really thick pancake batter and you're gonna air fry it for a few minutes. Should be pretty straightforward stuff, and hopefully at the end we have a nice kind of mock, fun, boardwalk summer deep fried treat. So I'm gonna take a bunch of pancake batter, or pancake mix that is, just put it in a bowl. And we're gonna start off with a little bit of milk. Now the TikTok said to use any milk you want. I just went with straight skim milk. You can use almond milk, whatever's your deal. So if you look here, this is almost a dough consistency and that's too thick. We want it to be able to be dipped, so we're gonna add a little bit more milk. And now we've got a little bit more, like kind of a really thin dough, but I still think I want it a little bit more liquidy. There's no measurements for this. You're kind of just going with your gut here. You can see it has a little bit of drip to it, but it should be thick enough to still stick to the outside of the cookie. Before we start dipping cookies, I'm gonna prep a little bit. So I've got an air fryer tray here that goes inside of our air fryer. If you have a basket, that's fine too, whatever you're working with. But just take some nonstick, spray the bottom ahead of time, because your hands are about to get dirty and it's gonna be tough to do once you have, Oreo and pancake batter covered hands. Got an Oreo here. I'm gonna dip it into some batter, get it nice and covered, and we're gonna drop it on there. Let's just do 3 here. So there's 2. Okay, so the process for air frying these should be pretty simple. All we're gonna do is get this in the air fryer as neatly as possible. We're gonna pop on the air fryer at 390 degrees for just 3 minutes. So it shouldn't be a very difficult, long process. Hopefully in about 3 minutes, we have delicious carnival style treats. All right, so our deep fried or air fried Oreos have been in the air fryer for 3 minutes at 390 degrees. They should be done now according to our TikTok recipe. So I'm gonna pull them out. And I'd say they're probably a little overdone, but there's your cooked pancake batter on top of Oreos. I'm actually gonna let these sit for a second before we taste them. Okay, so after some careful surgery with my air fryer tray here, we have kind of 3 air fried Oreos on our plate. Now, I wanna show you a mistake I made, or something you can learn from. You can see there's some remnants of Oreo on my tray here, and that's because my batter probably wasn't thick enough, and some of it kind of got adhered to the bottom of the tray. But what we're gonna do is take our most together one and take a bite of an air fried Oreo and see how it turned out. Weirdly, it's not bad. I wouldn't say it's like fantastic, but it's like you got the hot creamy Oreo thing going. It tastes kind of like a fudge sundae sort of deal. The pancake batter is a little like stiff almost, kind of like a stiff dough, but it's not terrible. I wouldn't say it's like gross or anything. All in all, fun enough to try, I guess. Maybe one day give it a whirl. Just make a thicker batter. Anyway, could be worse.